Are you wondering if YouTube TV can be paused? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how pausing works on the platform. If you're looking to pause live TV or manage your subscription, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV allows you to pause live TV while streaming. Simply press the pause button on the video player, and the stream will freeze, giving you time to step away or multitask without missing anything. However, keep in mind that pausing live TV doesn't stop the program entirely. It continues buffering in the background, so you can resume watching from where you left off. On the other hand, if you're asking about pausing your subscription, YouTube TV does not offer a pause feature for billing. If you need a break, you'll have to cancel your subscription and resubscribe later, but this could result in losing your DVR recordings and preferences. If this video helped you understand how pausing works on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.